Hey Connie, my name's Corey. Sarah told me to send over the screencast over to you. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over three free tips on how you can actually start out ranking your competition, really driving a lot more quality traffic to your website as well. The three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I've been looking over your site, really bringing your word count up to about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, adding that much more content, you can layer in those keywords. Those keywords are how you're actually being found. Even these images, what they're saved as, this is all content. You got block home, HVAC. Keep that up in your name. Put buyer's intent keywords back there. That's just going to help with your rankings to throw you up on that first page of Google. Now, if I do go inside of Google and type in air conditioning repair Milwaukee WI, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees here at the very top. These are actually brand new with Google. They came up with these last year to help replace these old school ads. The old school ads, a lot of people have been going away with them just because they've been really spammy. So they came up with these Google guarantees to help weave out some of those spammy phone calls. Just another form of paid advertisement, really. They do get pretty pricey at the end of the month, especially when people are accidentally clicking on them, like I did yesterday. And it's 40, 60 bucks or whatever, depending on some niches in the areas. They do get pretty pricey. I don't know if you're running ads. I'll see in here just a minute. A lot of people came up with ad blockers as well, so a lot of ads aren't even coming through. Underneath the ads, we have this little map pack here. You got a bunch of businesses trying to get to the top three here where all the traffic's being hit. Tons of businesses here. Even the pages goes on as well. Now, coming in and really getting the top rankings here in this map area is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So really what we'd want to do is come into your top competitors, get those same citations that they have. We obviously don't want to stop there, though. We want to go out there and completely outrank them. So when Google comes and does their crawl, we want to go out maybe 50 times or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google does that crawl, they have no reason but to put you in the top rankings right there for all that work that you've done. Underneath that map pack here, we have this right here is the first page of Google, and this is really where all that organic traffic happens. And to find yourself right here is really going to be dealing with all that authoritative content on your pages. Being found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. Now, what a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website, and it's just really pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. Kind of give you an example here. If I took a Bloch Heating and Air, took your URL here and stick it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. You got 22 referring domains, pushing back 155 backlinks. Historically, it looks like you've had just almost 700 backlinks here. You started your site back in 2015 or so. Then here's your history from there. This is the last 3 months of your site. 269 clicks to your website, or excuse me, 269 keywords that you're actually being found for, and you're getting about 12 clicks to your site every month. We can actually come into the keywords and see where these clicks are actually happening from. You got your name here at the top, washer and dryer repair, 300 clicks. Your 16th position right there. So you're only getting a 1 click a month right there. But that's we want a little bit more like appliance repair Port Washington WI. 10 clicks right there. That's really buyer's intent keyword right there. 8th position, you're missing the traffic. We got to do some more power and optimize that a little bit. Heating appliance, Bloch, you got your name there. Excuse me. Service Washington washing machine, repair washer and dryer. We're just looking for washing machine repair Milwaukee. There's a good keyword right there. Excuse me, 50 clicks a month for that one keyword. You're 31st position, so you're missing all the traffic. Nobody really goes shopping on the third page of Google there. So whether you're looking for services or HVAC or whatever you're really looking for, let me show you an example. This is D&M Heating and Air Conditioning. I'm going to stick them inside of AREFs real quick and do a quick overview. Like I said, not all backlinks are actually created equal. 92 referring domains pushing back 585 backlinks. 335 keywords are being found for, 210 clicks to their site. Coming in, seeing what they're actually ranking for. Here's all the keywords, the amount of traffic, the position. So if you want to do a service repair or even HVAC repair or appliance, it doesn't really matter. Just kind of what kind of work are you looking for, and making sure you're finding those correct keywords, and also making sure you're ranking for a good position to get that traffic is crucial. So air conditioning repair, Milwaukee WI, 100 clicks every month. They have the first position, so they're getting about 24 clicks on average from that 100 clicks. Really good ROI right there. Milwaukee Air Conditioning, 40 clicks a month. Second position, get 6 clicks out of the 40, not bad. But really finding a lot more keywords. I mean, the list goes on here. HVAC contractor, Milwaukee WI. HVAC contractors, Milwaukee. Heating contractors, Milwaukee. Just different ways of people thinking of how to search for this. So here's all these keywords, and really finding a lot more keywords and driving a lot more power, which is obviously going to drive a lot more traffic to your site as well, and get your phones ringing off the hook there. But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over and feel that I might have a few tricks up my sleeve, I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out there. Or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. If you want to give me a review, and I love feedback as well. If you want to give me some feedback on this video, that'd be awesome. Thanks. Have a good day.